convener, along with my party president, former Minister Mewar Jamatya, leader of the opposition Animesh, and Bishajit Kaloy. And we had extensive had spoken to the NEDA convener. He also called me up, and they have assured that there are certain technical processes which have to be voted process, and they have assured us that the process of appointing an interpolator will be done very soon. They asked us to be patient and to trust his word and commitment on it. And today, the NEDA convener will also be issuing a statement regarding the same. So therefore, we will wait and see what the statement is, and then we will obviously wait for the appointment of the interpolator. Having said that, many questions have come up also whether we will be in the government along with them or we will be in the opposition. We are very comfortable where we are. We know that we were elected by the people to raise the voices, and if we sit in the government without our issues being addressed, then we will be doing a huge amount of injustice to our people. So we have decided that we will not sit in the government, but keep on raising the voices of our people, their grievances, the problems of the indigenous Tipra. And till the time there is no complete solution to our demand, we would rather sit in the opposition than sit in the government and become silent. So that's our stance.